Hey guys, it's Maxine here, and I got these Taba squishies from Anchor Baby, and I wanted to do like a one-on-one to really show you how cute they are. But look at this bunny rabbit, the roll. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. I love all their stuff though. I'm scared to see how sticky it's gonna be, but oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look, I didn't even see the little tail. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. No, the texture on this is amazing though. Anyways, I hope you guys have the best day ever. Bye!